Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. So here is Sajjad personally, and this is my new course. I'm starting actually a series in which I will be teaching A1 whole German language course from my personal books which I bought from Alango, and I actually use these books to teach my students. Personally, I also give live sessions. I have also Instagram account and TikTok account with the same name, Learn German with Sajjad. So I thought, why should not come with a course that will be totally free of cost and a little bit structured, like I won't show you guys any slides or presentations. I will be just using these books from which I have learned. I have I have now B1 certificate, and recently I have joined B2 course, and hopefully I will be giving, or I will be appearing for a B2 Goethe German test. That was my small introduction. And yeah, I want to actually study in Germany, so I need like B2 level for my student colleague. And so I thought, why should not make a video on a German language course, because many students are struggling to find a course free of cost. I'm not saying this will be the perfect course, but I will try to cover everything that is written in this book, or I will try to cover every concept of A1 level. Okay, so let me introduce these books. So our first book is A1 Netzwerk Neu. These books are published from Netzwerk Neu, and this is A1 Kursbuch, from which we will be learning, or we will be using this book for our course, for A1 course. So this is a course book. You can say it in English, course book. Yeah. So this is course book, and here is the here is the second, and this is Übungsbuch actually. So we will have two books, not two. We will have three books actually in this course. I will provide you the PDFs of these books in the description. And what you have to do from the Übungsbuch, you just have to do daily exercises, which I will be teaching you here. In course book, you just have to fill the exercises for these Aufgaben, or for these tasks. Okay, I will explain everything, how you can do the exercises, or where you will find the resources for the exercises. I will provide you solutions of the exercises. And so this is the course book, and this is the Übungsbuch. And in in this course, we will be having 12 chapters. So, and in each chapter, we will be learning something new. Now, you guys are completely new in this course, so maybe you will find, or you will struggle to pronounce some alphabets. So, let's go back to our book. So, this is course book, and here this is the first page of our course book. So what kind of content we will be having in this course? So first of all, here is Aufgabe in course book. We will have tasks in course book, in this book. And I have a digital version of this book, course book, and I will provide you with the PDFs. Course book, Übungsbuch, and there is also one book which is a Glossar. You can say it like it's a dictionary, for German dictionary for every chapter. There will be some words, and you just have to find the words from that dictionary and write it on the Übungsbuch. I will cover everything. So, and passende Übung im Übungsbuch, we will have exercises for our Aufgaben. Hören Sie den Text. So this is the interesting part. We will also have listening exercises. We'll listen some text and then we will write it. So this is for our listening practice. And hören Sie und üben Sie die Aussprache. We will hear the text and then we will try to pronounce these words. For example, we will also improve our pronunciation. So this book also works on pronunciation. Sehen Sie den Film, we will also have videos. Sehen Sie den Film mit Erklärungen zu Grammatik, Redemittel oder Phonetik. We will have grammar, Redemittel, Phonetik. Schreiben Sie einen Text. We will have texts. Hier lernen Sie Grammatik. Hier lernen Sie wichtige Ausdrücke und Sätze, some important expressions and sentences. Vergleichen Sie Deutsch mit anderen Sprachen. We will also compare our language. We will compare this German language with other languages. Recherchieren Sie oder machen Sie ein Projekt. We also make a small projects. Im Übungsbuch lernen Sie mehr Worte zum Thema. And the main thing is here. So this is the Übungsbuch, and at the end of the every chapter on Übungsbuch, you guys will be having some words. Let me show you. So these are the last pages of chapter 1. So at the end of the every chapter, you will have two pages like this, and you will have some words. You have to learn these words by your heart, because vocabulary is the main thing. You can say it's the backbone of every language. So when you have a good vocabulary, there are more chances you can speak very fluently. Und Sie haben zwei Möglichkeiten, wie Sie die Aufgabe im Übungsbuch lösen. Zu dieser Aufgabe finden Sie ein interaktives Tafelbild. Hier lernen Sie eine Strategie oder bekommen Tipps. Hier lernen Sie etwas über gesprochene Sprache. So these are some tips. And so this is the introduction of our Kursbuch. So let's go little bit further. So here are the chapters. This is chapter 1. So these are some, you can say, destination or goals of the chapters. For example, this is chapter 1, and what are the goals of this chapter? Grüßen und verabschieden sich und andere vorstellen. So I will explain the first two objectives. Grüßen und verabschieden means to greet someone or to bye someone, to do farewell. Sich und andere vorstellen means to introduce yourself or to introduce someone to some person. Okay, so what kind of content we have in chapter 1? Wordshots, we have wordshots like vocabulary, grammatic. What kind of grammar we have here? So here are the topics of grammar. Aussprache. What kind of Aussprache means pronunciation we have here. Strategy. What kind of strategy we have here. And at the end of the every chapter in course book, we have also a page which is for Hören und Sehen. That means we will see the movies at the end of the video, films, and we will write some answers. We will do some like exercises for that. So this is how we will cover every chapter. So this was the chapter 1, and in the same way we have like everything for other chapters. So here are the 12 chapters. We will cover these 12 chapters, and hopefully you guys will learn so much from me, and I will share my all experience with you. Actually, I am not a full-time teacher, or I am like not perfect, but I will try to I will try to explain everything so easy how it will be possible. And you can also ask your questions in the comments, and I will make sure to reply everyone. So this is how our chapter starts. This is the task 1, 1a. So so that was just the introduction. I wanted to tell you about the content of the course, and hopefully I will make the next video, and where we will be starting our first chapter. And if you guys find something like not good, you guys can just comment in the comment below and tell me what should I improve in this course, or how should I like go with this course. But I thought we can just go with these books, and surely I will provide you some explanation slides. When you find any problem with any concept, you just can like go through these slides, and you will like get a good grip on that concept. It's all for today. So this was the short introduction, and hopefully tomorrow we will go further with the course. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao, auf Wiedersehen.